Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zamin Arfandi and I'm a team leader for this project. And let's continue to our company introduction. Our company name is Nice Engineering Technology. Invention to prevent water pollution is our company core business, and that is our logo. Our mission is determined to clean up polluted river area. And our vision is to become the world's leading creative and innovative company. What is our objective? Our objective is to protect, conserve, and promote living rivers and their biodiversity. We also organize a safe and environmentally friendly cleanup of a section of the river. We promote civic consciousness, river monitoring mapping, and raise awareness and educate all stakeholders about river care. And this is our organization table. And that is me, Ahmad Zamin Arfandi, as a team leader. And next on the line is Rapid Prototype Engineer, Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Muhammad Jilani. CAD Analysis Engineer is Muhammad Syafiq bin Ali Ahmad. And our Costing and Procurement Engineer is Aina Balikis binti Muhammad Asri. Manufacturing and Assembly Engineer is Nik Muhammad Haikal bin Nik Kamaruddin. And this is our team. As we all know, we are holding our project in Malacca River. And this is the percentage of where the plastic waste come from. 30% come from local citizens, 58% come from the tourists, and 12% we don't know either it's come from tourists or citizens. And from this percentage we know it's higher on the tourist percentage. After we see that kind of problem, we have came up an idea to create a river cleanup machine. It consists of water wheel driven conveyor mechanism which collect and remove the wastage, garbage and plastic wastage. It reduces the difficulties on cleaning the river with the hand, and it consists of belt drive mechanism which lift the debris from the water. And we have came up 4 designs for our river cleaning product. The first one is trash collecting skimmer boat. Second one is river cleaner. The third one is sea bin, and the fourth one is plastic chomper. And among all these 4 product design, we have came up a conclusion to choose the best of these 4 design. And we have chosen river cleaner as our main product. And for the next part, which is comparison of these 4 products, and we will continue with one of my team, which is Nik Muhammad Haikal. And let's go.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nik Muhammad Haikal bin Nik Kamaruddin. My matrix number is B0920104445. My subject is Bmma 2353, Modeling and Computer Analysis. Okay. Today I would like to present about our project. Okay, for my part, I would like to explain about concept design. What is concept design? Concept design is a summary and identification of the basic research to create a new product. Concept design is about we explain the idea of the product, sketching, comparison, selection material, and other than that. It shows us how to solve the problem to choose the suitable product for our design, our project. Okay, for the next part is product design. There is 4-part design that our group member idea to prevent the water pollution. This product has the same function, which is to prevent the water pollution, but also have the different design. Okay, for the first one is river cleaner. Okay, this one is the picture. For the second one is trash collection skimmer boat. This one. Okay. For the next one is sea bin, and the last one is plastic chomper. Alright. Okay, for the next part, I would like to present about comparison of the product or house of quality. Okay, from the slide, we can see from the left side is description, which is sketching, easy to use, cost estimated price, requirement power, portable, and environmental. From the top, we can see the name of the design, which is river cleaner, trash collection, sea bin, and plastic chopper. Okay, for the first one is sketching. We can see the picture of the design in the box. For the second one is easy to use. For the river cleaner, sea bin, and plastic chopper, it is easy to use. Meanwhile, for the trash collection, it is require professional skill. For the next one is estimated cost price that we find from the Google. For the river cleaner, the price is RM 3,245 ringgit. For the trash collection is RM 74,661. For the sea bin is RM 16,262, and the last one plastic chopper, which is RM 12 million. Okay, for the next description is requirement power. For the river cleaner is no, trash collection is yes, sea bin is no, plastic chopper is no. For the portable is river cleaner is yes, trash collection is yes, sea bin no, plastic chopper yes. For the last one, for the last description is environmental. For the river cleaner, yes. For the trash collection is no, sea bin yes, and the last one plastic chopper is yes. Okay. Okay, for the next part is brainstorm or mind map. As we can see from the slide, there is our product name, which is river cleaner, and there is 5 main things that our product selection. Okay, for the first one is started. We have them, title, and target. For the second one is collect, which is how we get the idea, which is information from the internet, design, and data. For the third one is preparation, which is comparison, best design, and final design. The fourth one is survey. We ask the survey from the citizen. And the last one is final product, which is we must do a report, video presentation, and assemble design. Okay. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you. For the next one, I will pass for our group member. Okay. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aina Balkis binti Muhammad Asri and I am from Bmma 1/2. My matrix number is B0920100072 and my role in this project is as costing and procurement engineer. So we will be using river cleaner as our final product or design. This is because river cleaner has a competitive advantage apart from the other products. River cleaner can help the general population deal with the growing problem of water pollution. River cleaner features also look simple but with a lot of functionality. Aside from that, there are several benefits when using our products. To begin, river cleaner is easy to use because it can move around on its own. It is also environmentally friendly and portable because it is truly scalable on any river. The price of the device is also reasonable and well worth it when compared to other products. The assumptions for the price is also within RM 3,245 ringgit and 49 cents, which is less expensive when compared to the cost of other products. In order to ensure the success of this project, we have conducted a survey for society to discover more about the situation at the Melaka River, and the survey included some questions. The first questions for the survey were asked about the work status. The chart in this slide shows that the students contribute for 77.9% of the respondents, which is the highest answer, while the rest come from working and non-working respondents. The second inquiry for this survey asks about the number of people who had ever visited the Melaka River. The pie chart revealed that 71% of respondents had visited the Melaka River, which could be due to the fact that Melaka River is a popular attraction. Meanwhile, 19.4% of those who responded said that they had never visited the Melaka River. The Melaka River's cleanliness is the focus of the next questions. Based on the represented graph, we can see that the majority answer of respondents choose is average for Melaka River cleanliness. However, 28.9% respondents choose scale 4 and 9.6% choose scale 5. This reveals that some people believe that the cleanliness of Melaka River is not up to the standard. The next question is about the level of awareness water river pollution, and the majority of respondents answer are average. There is as much 61.7%, well with the lowest 7.4%, and the answer of highest degree of knowledge is as much 30.9%. It's very worrying that 7.4% of respondents have answered that they have a low level of awareness regarding the water river pollution. For the fifth question in this survey, the majority of respondents claim that they were aware of a terrible smell while on the river cruise, with 60% saying yes and 40% claiming no. This could be due to the timing changes, such as public or school holidays, when a large number of people visit the Melaka River and frequently drop trash into it. Aside from that, the percentage of people who know about the river cleaning machine is 66.7%, which is highest than the answer of 33.3%. We may assume that the majority of respondents are aware of the technology that helps to reduce water river pollution. In response, for the final question, the majority of respondents agreed that our machine can help to reduce water river pollution at the Melaka River. For bill of materials, there are 7 parts of number that we will be using to success this project. The first one is water wheel, which functions to shovel the plastic out of the water. We only need water wheel for 1 unit that only costs 1,000 ringgit. The second number of part is solar, which works to generate electricity from the sunlight. This solar panel will be used only 1 unit that costs as much 395 ringgit. Next, the third part, which electric motor requires only 1 unit worth as much as 360 ringgit. The electric motor function is to help the water wheel move rotating. For the fourth part, which is the bin, require only 1 unit, which function to prevent trash from returning into the river. This bin costs 125 ringgit only. For the next part, we will be using 2 units of clipper, which works to tighten the base of the river cleaner from splitting. This part only costs 200 ringgit for 1 unit. Other than that, we also need the boot base for 4 units, as we have to put those around the corner at the base of the river cleaner. 1 unit for this base costs only 150 ringgit. Last but not least is steel net, which needed nearly 15 meters and cost as much as 56 ringgit. The function of this steel net is to make the waste stick easily. As we can see, the slide shows the cost of calculation which needed for the project success. We found out the total cost by calculating all the price of the components needed and including those with taxes. As a result, the estimates show that the machine of this river cleaner will cost Rm 3,092 ringgit and 2 cents to complete. The machine's overall price proves estimate price mentioned in the product comparison is correct.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Muhammad Jalani, and I'm from Bmma 1/2. My metric number is B09201033. Today, I will talk about product development based on my group selection product, So let's go. So first, what is product development? Product development is the complete process of delivering a new product or improving something, an existing one, for customers. The customers can be external or internal within our company, and it can support many different types of product, such as from software to hardware and to consumer and good service. Okay, next I will explain about the part that are included in the river cleaner project. So as you can see on the left side, the first part is our body. So you can see there are 5 holes at the body. So the idea of the holes on each corner, I will put a net to make it lighter to float on the water, rather than I put a whole solid which is make it heavier. So in the middle, on the left side hole, is I will put a bin, which is the waste will store in the bin. Okay, next part is motor. So the motor is function to generate the power to the water wheel. And next, the buoy. So the function of the buoy is to make the boat float on the water easier. Okay, so next is the clipper. So the function of the clipper is to make the way to the waste, to make it through to the water wheel. And next is the water wheel. So the water wheel is to will spin 360 and will pick up the rubbish and will drop at the slide, and lastly to the bin. Okay, the water will be generated by the power by the motor. Okay, on the right side is the solar panel. Okay, the function of the solar panel is to supply the electricity to the motor. So next is the slide. So the slide's function is, after the water will pick up the rubbish and drop, then it will drop to the slide, and the rubbish will slide down to the bin. And then next you will see the bin on the right side. So basically the bin is to store the rubbish. Okay, now you see the final product of our river cleaner after the parts are being assembled. So this is how it's look of our final product on the drafting. So how is the river cleaner works? So first, the waste will make a way through the clipper and go through to the water wheel. So the water wheel will spin 360 that are generated by the power from the motor. Then the water wheel will pick up the rubbish and drop to the slides, and the rubbish will slide down to the bin, and that's how it's work. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. Today I'm going to present the last part of this presentation, which is the discussion and the conclusions. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Ali Ahmad, and my metric number is B092010 and 154. The discussion. How the device work. The device we have been making here is working by collecting a floating trash on the river. We place our product on the side of the river because it can make our cleaning process become easier. But first, there are pump working as an absorber to bring the plastic waste towards the roller. Then we can see there are big filter that's spinning continuously in the middle of our machine. The advantage of the big filter is to make the waste collector bigger and make the loader for our waste bigger. After the waste inside the loader is full, we can collect the waste that have been absorbed by our conveyor, and this is cleaning process. We did it after a period of hour. Okay, and this is the illustration how the trash are collected. First, the trash, which is this plastic, uh, uh, taken by river current into the fi- fiber net, which is this our project. Then after it enter the net, the scoop will then catch the trash. After the trash is loaded into the scoop, the axis will rotate 19 degrees by electric motor. Then the trash or plastic will slide into this hollow axis. After that, it will fall into the bucket, and all of these operations are conducted manually. Finally, when the buckets are full with trash, it will be picked up by worker to dump the trash into a bin provided. Okay, this is the video that we are made.
In the last years, we developed our system from just a drawing up until a system that is applicable to remove the plastic from our water in a sustainable manner. In the last years, we developed our system from just a drawing up until a system that is applicable to remove the plastic from our water in a sustainable manner.
As you can see, the trash can be the...
Our first system is called the Circleaner. The Circleaner consists of one hollow axis and 5 scoops. These scoops rotate in the opposite direction of the water course. And this way, the plastic will automatically float into the scoop.
As you can see,
Rotating 90
this is
degrees
the pump
further, the plastic
located.
will slide into the hollow axis. And within this hollow axis, it is being transported towards the container at the shore.
Rotating 90 degrees further,
Okay.
the plastic will slide
Okay, the conclusions.
and within this hollow
As the conclusion, the purpose of this research was to identify effective strategies for dealing with river pollution. Through the analysis and improvement of modification that has been made into this river cleanup project, it is been proven that this project can fulfill the task of collecting trash from river. From the tests that have been conducted, it can be summarized that this project has passed the requirement standard of Bmma 2353 subject, which is modeling and computer analysis, to become as a prototype project. Future modification into collecting trash more efficiently and low-cost path could help this project become a more effective river cleaner. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.